This is Castle Sophia, a massive ancient castle where all the sorcerers live. It's the place where you can learn magic, increase intelligence and unlock powerful new spells. And that's just one of the things I've been working on for the past 2 weeks. There's a lot more, from improved melee combat to new magical abilities. The world was empty for months. I was avoiding building it for too long cause I never made anything before. If we forget my first game jam project. Well, I couldn't avoid it forever, so after finishing the last season of Bleach, I had an idea to make a big castle. I started with this insane high detail sketch of the castle I had in my mind, and after that I gathered all of the assets I needed to make that castle. As you can see, it's not that many, because I repeat them a lot and merge them together to make something new. After a week, here it is. Looks good, right?
No.
Now all I have to do is build stuff around the castle and change the biome a bit, cause I think it looks really weird in the middle of the desert. Eventually I want each area of the game to have its own vibe. Some areas will feel dark and scary with a bunch of enemies, while others might be more peaceful so you can explore and chill a bit. Now that you've seen where you can learn magic, let me show you what's new with the combat system. The last video I mentioned different weapon types. Now they are actually in the game. You got swords, dual swords and great swords. The only problem I faced while testing is these dumbass AIs, bro. I need to make them cooler, cause right now they move like Jason from Friday the 13th. Now let's talk about magic. I added 2 magical abilities so far. First one is a classic fireball, nothing special about it. And second ability is lighting. You throw a bolt that changes between enemies, dealing damage back and forth. I mainly built these 2 abilities to test if the system works, and it does. So now I'm free to go crazier with the future spells. To make all of this feel like a real RPG, I added a stat system. Now when you kill enemies, you can harvest their souls to increase your powers. As of now, you can level up your strength, agility, intelligence and vitality. In Devlog 3 I will reveal the inside of the castle and more epic stuff, so make sure to subscribe to not miss out. Alright, let's talk about dungeons. In the game you will find portals scattered around the world. Step into one and you are teleported into a completely different dimension. Wait, where am I? A creeper? Oh my god. Yo! Ah! The goal is to find the boss and take them down. These dungeons are directly tied to the story I'm building, and they are a great way to break the desert environment you explore most of the time. There are 2 types of dungeons. The first dungeons you will run into are called procedural dungeons. These are randomly generated by an algorithm, so they are always different. They are not super important to the story, but they are perfect for farming souls and leveling up your stats. Then there is the second type, handcrafted dungeons. These are built by me and they are not randomly generated. They are bigger with tougher enemies and offer way better loot, but don't expect to find them often. That's pretty much everything I added so far. Thanks a lot for watching.